All right, we're back. We're making our glaze. It's going to go on top of our cake, which is now in the oven. So we're going to dump, we want 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. So we're going to do it in small amounts and do it like this.
Sift it.
Sift it. Oops. As we,
Can I try?
yeah, and then, you know, to get it to go faster, you can smash it down with that. Now, then we're going to get another one while you're doing that. We'll get the next one ready. Good job.
They don't make powdered sugar, right?
And I'm going to add another one. We need 3.
Nothing's coming.
Here, take this thing.
I'm smashing it down.
Or stir. You can stir it if you want to. So it'll just drop down.
Wait, what if I do this?
Yeah. Good job. Works better if you have a big one. Now they're all in the dishwasher. I'm going to add some more. Or not. Do you want me to wait?
I just
Okay.
mix it up.
That works. Let's do that. We're going to get a whisk and whisk it.
Ooh, can I do the whip?
So that'll.
Oh no, I guess I'm gonna have to clean up the sugar on the table.
Okay, so to that we add a tablespoon of softened butter. Here we go. Right there.
Can I stir it with this?
You can, but it's not going to do too much. Okay,
Whisk.
this is the whisk one.
Okay.
Okay, then you can add the milk. Here's the milk. Right there. Right there. Milk.
Oh.
Right beside you. Oops. Then the overflows. Here's the milk right here, darling.
Oh.
And just dump that in.
This is how much milk we need?
Yeah.
It's so tiny.
And then we're gonna whisk
Can I
it.
mix it?
Yes.
It makes it fun to do.
Yes.
Wait, is this the frosting?
That's it. That is the frosting.
Doesn't look like a good color. Smells good.
Does vanilla.
I
Always smells
hate- My dad's like, have you smelled vanilla? I'm like, yeah. He's like, you should try it. I try it.
So now because we didn't sift it so well, make sure you get all the lumps out. We don't want lumps on our glaze.
A glaze. I
Okay.
like mixing like this.
So this is ready, and we'll have it sit here, and when the cake gets out, we'll put it on the hot cake.
Beautiful. Can we color it?
We can. What color do you want to color it? Remember, the cake is chocolate, so what do you think? Pink?
Pink. Yeah.
Okay.
/ red.
How about like fuchsia?
Wait, what about rainbow?
Yeah, fuchsia.
Well, I don't think we can do rainbow. All right, I'm going to do...
No, like some
No,
that rainbow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No.
Okay, that looks pretty.
Ooh, that is really pretty. I'm glad.
You want a happy birthday napkin?
Guys, look at this.
You can just do that.
It looks pretty, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay. So,
Mimi, you know what we should do for our next video?
what?
We should make, we should choose, so there should be like a thing to split apart, and then, there will be colors of like frosting or ingredients for a cake, and you're each gonna make one, and then Emerson will judge them next time.
Sounds like a plan. Does Em like cake?
Yeah, she loves cake.
Okay, well,
I mean,
we
she
got
loves her
30
birthday,
minutes.
so.
We've got 30 minutes to wait on our cake. So, we're going to stop our video again. Don't get it on you. And then, as soon as we glaze the cake, we'll turn it back on. Okay?
Okay. I'm gonna keep mixing for no reason. Bye, guys.